Hello, it's Wednesday the 14th. I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. And the headlines today are that the Cabinet is to discuss the Brexit deal, Rome defies Brussels and their budget remains unchanged, and the dollar correction is seen as temporary. So London and Brussels have agreed Brexit terms, and it now falls to the UK government and the remaining 27 member states to add their approval to the terms agreed. It's highly unlikely to be signed off in its current form, certainly in the UK, and there may also be several alterations requested by the EU nations. But the Irish border and the backstop agreement remain the main bone of contention, certainly in the UK. Sterling had an extremely volatile day yesterday as rumour and counter-rumour swept through the market. Cable reached a high of 130.50 at one stage before closing down at around 129.55. Away from Brexit, the UK unemployment report confirmed wage inflation up at 3.2%. That's the highest level we've seen since 2008. And the inflation report is due out today. But it's likely to be overshadowed by Brexit, as at 2 p.m. today, the Cabinet meet to discuss the agreement with the Prime Minister. Over in the Eurozone, Italy remains on a collision course with the EU as the deadline for their budget revision came and went yesterday, with more powerful rhetoric from Rome. Italy are reasoning that the budget is necessary to get Italy going again, fearing that their economy will die a slow death if it remains tied to the EU's austerity plans. Over in the US, the dollar index was around 97.10 yesterday. Despite the volatility on this side of the pond, the US dollar is driven by domestic issues like monetary policy and equity prices. Analysts expect the dollar's strength to return shortly, seeing yesterday's correction as little more than a bit of profit taking in the market. With another rate hike due in December and further advanced guidance for 2019, the dollar path is fairly clear at the moment, and with rumours that the US and China may also restart their trade talks, it should avert any escalation of the trade war risk transaction in the short term. Have a great day. We'll keep you posted. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments below.